Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Let's get real for a sec. Studying for hours is not the vibe. If you are tired of spending hours studying and still not getting your grades up, then you need to watch this video. Today, I'm spilling the tea on how to study less, but still ace your exams. Think of this as your ultimate study hack guide. So, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get into it. Tip 1. Study smarter, not harder. Successful girls don't study hard. They study smart. That's how they ace their exams. Focus on your power topics because not all chapters are created equal, and you do not need to know everything. So instead of trying to read everything and memorize every single detail, focus on the topics that are most important, like the ones that show up in every past paper or the ones your teacher can't stop talking about. Grab your syllabus and highlight the power topics, then go deep on those. Tip 2. Use the Pomodoro hack. The Pomodoro hack is a method that changed my study life. This is when you study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Sounds simple, right? But here's the twist. Make those 25 minutes intense. No phones or distractions, just you and your books. You'll be shocked at how much you can get done in such a short time. Tip 3. Teach someone else. This tip is a little secret called the Feynman technique. It's super simple and crazy effective. Take a topic you're trying to learn and explain it like you're teaching a 10-year-old. No big words, no fancy terms, just plain and simple English. If your little sibling can understand it, then you know you're doing it right. Tip 4. Use past papers. A lot of students overlook this one. I'm telling you, past papers are like cheat codes for your exams. They show you exactly what to expect and help you get familiar with the question style. What you should do is this. A week before the exam, grab 3 to 5 past papers and treat them like real exams. Time yourself, answer the questions, and then check where you went wrong. It's literally the fastest way to figure out what you know and what you don't. And let me tell you, nothing boosts your confidence like acing a practice test. Trust me, this is a must-do if you want to crush your exams without wasting time on unnecessary stuff. Tip 5. Break it down. This tip is called chunking, and it's a lifesaver when you're dealing with a ton of information. Instead of trying to study everything at once, break the material into small, manageable chunks. Focus on one chunk at a time, and you'll actually remember more without feeling overwhelmed. Here's how to do it. Let's say you need to study 20 pages of your history textbook. Divide those 20 pages into 4 chunks of 5 pages each. Then, study one chunk, take a break, and come back to the next chunk. Bonus tip, romanticize your study time. One last thing, try to make studying a fun experience for you. Light a candle, play some chill music, and make your desk cute. When studying feels less like a chore and more like a vibe, you'll actually want to do it. I mean, who wouldn't want to hang out at a desk that looks like it's straight out of Pinterest? And that's all on how you can read less, study smarter, and still crush your exams. Let me know in the comments which tip is your favorite, and if you have any study hacks of your own, I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also make sure to join our community of amazing girls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.